So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to automatically save Docusign files to Google Drive. So the first thing you need to do is to log into your Docusign admin account and click on the Settings tab at the top of the page. Look at the left-hand navigation menu under the Integration section and click on Connect. Click Add Configuration. Select Google Drive from the available cloud storage options and click Connect. Now log into your target Google account when prompted and click Allow to grant Docusign permissions to write files to your drive. Now once connected, look under your Google Drive configuration settings to set up your file routing. Toggle the envelope events trigger to specify which documents to pull, and choose your folder signature. And then select your preferred naming convention for the incoming PDFs before hitting Save. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. And drop a comment down below letting us know what to cover next. And I will see you on the next video.